vertically opposite angles. So now, moving on to your classwork assignment, you have 3 questions that you must do. I will explain the 3 questions after this slide. And I also share to you the assignment PDF in WhatsApp group. You may copy down the questions or you can print it out. The deadline for this assignment will be 7 September 2021, which is next week, Tuesday, 4 p.m. Okay, you have a lot of time to complete these 3 questions. So I hope you will try to do all of the questions and submit to me via WhatsApp private. Okay, but now I will explain the 3 questions that you must do. The first question, you are given this figure of AOD, where AOD is a straight line and AOC is a right angle. So you have to find for angle BOC and angle AOE. Angle BOC lies here. Since you know that angle AOC just now is a right angle, angle AOB is 38. This is what we call as the complementary angle. Macam mana kan cari complementary angle? You have to minus. Okay, so I'll let you do the calculation. And as for part B, the question is asking for angle AOE here. Again, look at the neighbor angle. We have 53 degree and it lies in a straight line. How do we find for angle AOE? This is supplementary angle. I'll let you do the calculation, okay? For this second question, this is a bit tricky because you have to find for angle QOS, which lies around here. Okay, but you cannot solve it immediately using the 180 minus the values because you don't know the value here. Right? So, we have to find out for this value yang unknown by what? Okay, you have a look. POQ is a straight line kan? Oops, that's not a straight line. Right, let me just show using a point mark. POQ is a straight line. Okay, you know that a straight line, the total angle is 180. We have angle 34 and 66 here, and this is unknown. What do you need to do to find out for the unknown here? Okay, after that, after you get this value, only then you can find out for angle QOS here. Okay, that's the only clue I can give. As for reflex angle SQT, apa reflex ani? Try to recall back from your previous lesson on different types of angle. It's not the inside here. Okay, what is it? Where is the angle? Okay, that's all I can give clue. As for this question, question number 3, we are given this diagram where the angle DOC is 46, angle AOD here is what? It's the right angle, so what is the value? And you have to find out for angle EOF. So angle EOF lies here. So how do we find for angle EOF here? You know that EB and CF is 2 straight lines that meet at the vertex O. So what shape does it look like? It looks like an X, right? So in order for us to find for angle EOF, you have to find out for angle BOC first. How do you find for angle BOC? Macam mana? Based on the given information, you know that angle AOD, tadi, it's a right angle. Right angle, what is the value? So this is 46 over here. And since it says that angle AOB is equal to angle BOC, so maknanya you can divide the value into 2, correct? So how do you divide that? from what value. Maknanya the right angle minus this value, and then you have to divide by 2 to get the value of BOC. And then automatically it is equal to angle EOF. And then this one for part B, you have to find for angle AOF ni ya. Ketinggalan dia punya angle symbol. So angle AOF, it's over here. Okay, so how do we find out for that value? Lagi tricky ni. So basically you have to solve for this angle first, yang this part. You already know this value kan, based on from part A, and you know this value. So you have the remaining vertically opposite that are unknown. So how are you going to find out for this? Okay, that's all I can give clue. All the best. End of lesson. Any further question, do not hesitate to ask via WhatsApp. Thank you. And that's it for today. Assalamualaikum.